The best part of these whiteboard animations is that they can be used for any niche. Whether it's an educational video, a history documentary, or even B-roll footage to complement your main video, the possibilities are endless. Now, if you're serious about YouTube, you should get an already monetized YouTube account so that you can start earning from your very first video without having to wait to hit the monetization threshold. To get started, go to the Notion file link below where you'll find all the prompts you need. Then, open Claude AI. We're going to use it to generate a short script for our video. Let's suppose this is our script. Once you have your script ready, copy it and paste it into Claude. For this example, I want videos for these 3 scenes. Type the following into Claude. Give me the prompt for each scene to generate an image. Go back and copy the image prompt for the first scene. This prompt is specifically designed to generate hand-drawn, whiteboard-style visuals. Now, go to Flow for image generation. Switch the model to Nano Banana 2. Paste the first prompt into Flow and generate the image. As you can see, the result looks hand-drawn, just like a whiteboard animation. In the same way, go ahead and generate the images for the remaining scenes as well. Once all your images are generated, go back to Notion and copy the video prompt. Now, drag and drop your generated image as an ingredient into Flow. Switch the mode to video and choose Omni Flash as your model. Select a duration that fits your scene, paste the video prompt, and hit generate. And there you go. Your video clip is generated. One helpful tip: you can reuse the same video prompt for each of your images, which saves you a lot of time.
From a common ancestor, our lineage split. One branch led to chimpanzees, while the other...
Also, if you are really serious about growing on social media, I would highly recommend buying a monetized account to give yourself a strong head start.